so excited to share with you how I achieved my soft feminine makeup using Makeup Factory. I already put primer off cam. This is the silky foundation with anti-aging effect and special wrinkle reducing ingredients for smoother and firmer skin. Do you know this concealer is ideally suited for concealing minor redness, small wrinkles, and darkened skin around the eye? Don't be afraid to use eyebrow powder. Mukha lang matapang at makapal sa umpisa, pero pag natuyo na siya, na-absorb na ng skin mo, magmumukha na siyang natural. Since I will be creating a soft feminine makeup, this eyeshadow is perfect for this look. I will be using the nude brown color in the Rosy Shine Blusher for my nose as a nose line. Para madagdagan ng kulay ang aking mata, gagamitin ko ulit yung Rosy Shine Blusher. I will be using this highlighter stick and putting underneath my brow. Syempre, pati sa tear ducts ko. I'm gonna use again this Rosy Shine Blusher as my blush on. And again, I will use this highlighter stick. Syempre, highlighter is life. This mascara creates the densest and fullest eyelashes possible for a youthful and intense gaze. At syempre, huwag kakalimutan lagyan ang lower lashes. I really love this lipstick because it is long-lasting. I will just put a little bit in my lips and add some matte lip fluid long-lasting in the middle of my lips in the shade Wild Berry. Gagamitin ko itong eyebrow powder as my bronzer. Finally, I'm done doing this soft feminine makeup tutorial. And also don't forget to like Makeup Factory Facebook page and follow them on Instagram. Thank you for watching!